Good morning, dear student. Let us start the class. Today we are going to do the workbook of the chapter data handling. So today we are going to learn how to collect, represent and interpret data. Let us start the class. Now children, in this picture you can see what? Shoes. Okay, you can see there are different kinds of shoes. So if I ask you what is this collection called? The collection is known as shoes. Okay, the collection is shoes. S-H-O-E-S. Shoes. And how many shoes are there? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 11 shoes in the picture. Now children, we have got about collection and data. Collection shows that it has got similar type of things, whether it is shoes, whether it is slippers, okay, whether it is boots. So there it is all collection. That means it is a collection of footwear or collection of shoes. Data gives us the exact number that that contains in a collection. Now here in this picture we can say that the data of the collection of shoes is 11 because it has got 11 shoes in it. There may be difference in the color, the sizes may be different, but all are the collection of shoes. Okay, now if I bring a bag and keep in the picture, then it will no longer be a collection of shoes because bag is not a shoe, bag is a different object. Okay, so in a collection it should have similar type of object. The definition we got in the textbook is a group of similar type of items or objects taken together is called a collection. Okay, so in a collection it should have similar or same type of items or objects or things. Data is a collection of facts such as numbers, words, measurement and so on is called data. Okay, so data gives us the exact value. Like suppose in the picture of shoes we got how many shoes are there? 11. That is the exact number. Okay, so if it gives us exact words also, measurement also, then it is known as data. From collection and data, we get what? We get information. Okay, we get information that what is there in the box, what is the picture, what are the objects are there in the collection and how many objects are there. These are known as information. So from collection and data, we get information of a particular type of picture or things. Now children, this is the workbook. Okay, so here we have to collect, represent and interpret data. So let us look at some of the question here. The first question is, in a box there are various kinds of shapes. Okay, in the first chapter before your term 1 exam, the part 1 book, the chapter shapes we have got, isn't it? Two-dimensional figures we have got like rectangle, triangle, square, circles. Okay, so here it is all the combination of shapes. Now question number 1 is given here. How many triangles are there all together? Okay, so how many triangles are there? So if I count, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So how many triangles are there in the picture? There are 7 triangles. So if I look at the options carefully, it is A is 8, B is 7, C is 4 and D is 1. So it is option number B. So here in the bracket I will write B. Okay. Now next is, how many squares are there? Okay. So how many squares are there if I count? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So orange color square also there and green color square also there. So there are 9 square. It is option number C. Question number 3 is, how many circles are there? Okay, so looking at the picture we can say that there are 4 circles here. Now children, you can see some round figure here also. Okay, these are not circles. These are oval shapes. Okay, the yellow color ones. So that is not a circle. So how many red circles are there? There are 4. Question number 4 is, a group of objects that put together is called what? Okay, so a group of objects that are put together is known as collection. It is known as collection. Question number 5. Identify the collection in the picture. A collection of books, option number A. B is a collection of balloons. C is a collection of shoes. D is a collection of ice cream. So if you look at the picture, it has got many balloons there. The shape may be different, the color may be different, but all are balloons. That is, it has got similar type of object. So it is a collection of balloons. It is option number B. The next question is, how many zebras are there in the picture? Okay, so we can see 4 animals here. So how many zebras are there? There are 2 zebras. Okay, so it is option number A. The next question is, look at the objects shown below. Fill in the blanks with the correct answer. So there are various kinds of objects here. Okay, it has got glass, it has got cakes, it has got cupcakes, and it has got toffees. Now looking at the picture, we have to read the picture very carefully and we have to answer the question. Question number 7 is given here. The total number of glasses. How many glasses are there? There are 6 glasses. The total number of toffees. How many toffees are there? There are 7 toffees. Okay. The total number of cupcakes. So how many cupcakes are there? It has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many cupcakes are there? There are 8 cupcakes. Look at the shapes and answer the question. Okay, so this picture also we have to study very carefully and then answer the given questions. How many triangles are there? Okay, so this is also a combination of shapes. So how many triangles are there? If you look at the green picture, it has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many are there? There are 6 triangles. How many different shapes are there in the given picture? Okay, so how many shapes are given? First is a circle, second triangle, third is a rectangle. So 3 different shapes are there. Okay, it is not been asked what is the total number of shapes given there. How many different shapes are there? Question number 12 is, how many circles are there? So there are 4 circles. Question number 13 is your homework. Okay, so it is given A, B, C, D. There is a house nearby. So it is made of shapes. Okay, rectangle, circle, square and triangle. So you have to observe the answer very carefully. Observe the picture very carefully and answer the question. Question number 14. Look at the given picture and answer the question below. How many brinjals are there? Okay, so it is a combination of fruits and vegetable because it has got corn, it has got tomato, it has got carrot, onion, pumpkin, brinjal. Okay, so how many brinjals are there? So it has got only one brinjal. Brinjal is purple in color, so it has got one brinjal. How many fruits and vegetables are there in all? So count how many fruits and vegetables are there. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So their total number of fruits and vegetables are 9. Okay. So children, these are the questions from the workbook. Based on the topic that we have discussed, I have taken 2 questions here. These 2 questions will be uploaded in the Google Classroom. So the first question is, many teddy bears combined together will make a dash of teddy bears. So if there are different kinds of teddy bears, different sizes, different colors, but it has been put together, this is known as what? Okay, so you have to fill in the blank. Question number 2, how many objects do you have in your pencil box? So right now, if you're watching the video, look at the pencil box and find out what are the different, how many objects do you have? Okay, so you may have scale, eraser, sharpener, pencil. Okay, so pencil may be 2, 3, eraser may be 1, You may have more than one sharpener. Okay, so count how many objects do you have in your pencil box. The key words which are very important in this chapter is data, collection, information and repression. Data is the number of things that it has got in a group of objects. Collection is the similar kinds of things that are put together. Information we get from data and collection. That means what kind of objects are there and how many objects are there. Represent means how we can represent what is given in the picture. Okay children, so this is the class for today. In the next class we will be doing the remaining part of the workbook. With this I conclude my video. Thank you and have a nice day.